What's up, guys? What's up? So today I'm gonna try and keep the camera still because I'm by myself, but today we've got a pull day. I'm gonna take you through what I'm doing at the moment as my pull day. The only thing that I do differently, really, apart from obviously you can do different exercises, but the only thing I do differently is on a pull day I will not do biceps, I do triceps. Now my brother asked me, why do you do this? And so did all of his friends who have just started out gym. I like the muscle that I'm working in my arm to be fresh. So if I'm doing a push day, I'm using my triceps a lot, so I'll do biceps. If I'm on a pull day, I want my triceps to be fresh so that I can work them as much as possible, so I'll do triceps. So that's really the only big difference. But other than that, I'm going to give you guys some tips on certain exercises as well as a body update so you guys can see what I'm looking like at the moment. I'm not trying to bodybuild professionally or anything. I just want to look good in myself. So I'll give you guys a body update. Last time I checked, I was at 7% body fat. I used to be at 4%. That's how low I've got before. And it wasn't healthy. So I'm trying to stick around 7 to 10, around that area. But yeah, I'll show you the pull day, including a tricep workout instead of biceps. And then I will also show you how my body's looking at the moment. And then I'll show you maybe some progress actually from when I first started going to the gym, doing more bodybuilding stuff. But yeah, join me. I hope you enjoy it. And I'll give you guys some tips along the way on certain exercises so you can really feel it more. Didn't want to go too heavy on the deadlifts, but just got a few in because last time I hurt my back a little bit. Yep. These two arrived. We'll do rows now, then on to lat pull downs, then on to narrow grip lat pull downs, and then what else have we got? Biceps.
Perfect.
So here I'm really, camera's wobbly. So here I'm really focusing on the eccentric part of the movement. Going down slowly, keeping the shoulders nice and drooped over when I get to the bottom, but keeping my chest up so I get a nice back stretch without getting injured. And yeah, it's good. Also going for time under tension, so slow reps, so we feel the muscles working. You know what I'm trying to say?
Respect. With coffee. It's a great making game.
So when we do the narrow grip, that targets the lower lats. The normal grip does the higher lats. So if you really want to build the shape of your back, it's important that you do lower and upper lats. So that's what we're doing today. As I speak, this guy's working on it. Good lad. So now we're getting the triceps done, and then I got one more exercise for rows on the machine though, and then I'm done. We've completed the pull day. Didn't do as much triceps as I wanted to because we don't have time. I have to get back and do some work, but got as much as I could myself done. So I'm going to show you a body update, show you guys what I'm looking like at the moment, and then also maybe show you what I eat after gym. It's not a set meal, but the amount I eat and what I try and split my food into, I think would be quite interesting for you guys. So I'll catch you when I'm at home. All right, so we're getting the protein in now. Just 2 of us, 5 burgers. Had to count. I actually had to count. Looking good. Potato salad, 2 burgers, cheese, ketchup, red hot sauce, which slaps, and I'll put a bit of mayo in actually. But yeah, this is what I eat after gym usually. So we're gonna do the physique update.